Hi, this is Josh from Riccar. Some of the vacuum cleaners that we make in the SupraLite series have lifetime belts, and you never have to change them. But for the rest, occasionally you'll have a situation where your brush roll isn't spinning. We want to talk about what you do when your brush isn't running. So a good example of that is this one right here. If we turn it over and turn it on, you'll notice that the brush isn't spinning. Most likely our belt is broken. We're going to show you how to change the belt. So it's really simple on this machine. The first thing you want to do when you're doing this, obviously, is unplug the vacuum from the wall. You don't want to be playing around with moving parts down here. So we encourage you to do that. These tabs here, it's a quarter turn twist. You take your bottom plate off. Here's our belt. We can see that it's broken. Take the brush roll out. I like to just set it down the same way it came out so you know how you're putting it back in. Then you take your new belt. We're going to loop it onto the motor shaft back here. Give it a tug, make sure it's on. Go ahead and put the brush roll inside the belt there. Stretch it into place. Spin it. Make sure that it's not pinched or caught there, otherwise you might turn it on and snap another belt. Put our bottom plate back on. Quarter twist. Plug your vacuum back into the wall and test it. Now we can see that the brush roll is turning. We're ready to go clean our home again.